Hi, this is Sarah from Sohan IT. Today I will explain how to post job requirement on social media by using JobsHorn. Go to the company job section. There are two ways to post job requirement on social media. One is by using the share option and another one is by downloading the Excel sheet. Using the share option, you can easily post jobs on social media directly from JobsHorn. Go to company page, just simply click on any social media icon to post. For example, here I am selecting the LinkedIn icon and it will be automatically generated a post with the active job requirement. Then click post. And you can do the same for the other social media icons also. And another one is by downloading the Excel sheet. We have two options. One is quick download and another one is custom download. Just click on quick download. After downloading the Excel sheet, open to view all the downloaded your company job listing. See here. And then custom downloads. Using the custom download option, only the required fields. For example, I have selected job title, job location, work type, and job ID, and then download. The Excel sheet will be downloaded with the only selected fields. The copy the job requirement and post it on LinkedIn and go to the company jobs homepage. Copy the link here. I'm here mentioning my company name and drafting a post and paste the copied link here and then post. Your post will be successful. When someone clicks on the link here, it will be redirect all your company job pages. Candidate can scroll down the check all the active jobs they can apply here. Thank you.